our studio today. This is Dr. Swapnil. Heartiest congratulations on your proud achievement. We are very proud of you. So, first of all, how you are feeling, Swapnil?
I'm really happy. Yesterday I called my parents. They were really happy. They were like, हम आ रहे हैं अभी के अभी आ रहे हैं.
Yeah, it's a very amazing experience, obviously for the parents. Yes. Okay. So, first of all, introduce yourself. What is your rank, and you were associated with us?
I'm Swapnil. My rank was I scored 57 rank.
Amazing rank.
NEET
Yes.
2020. I am a regular foundation. I joined regular foundation course in Jaipur, DBMCI Jaipur.
Okay. So you attended all the classes with us?
Yes, ma'am. I attended all the classes, all the 19 subjects with DBMCI.
Okay. So you were totally dependent on these notes. You prepared from these notes only?
Yes, ma'am. I was totally dependent on your notes.
So, like Swapnil, everybody wants to know that what is actually the strategy that you followed? How did you manage? What time did you start? First of all, start with how did you start with your preparation?
I started my preparation during third year, third year only. Yeah. Second year I attended some only second year subjects only. Okay. That was light because all others were doing, so I also did that, but I did not take that seriously. Okay. In third year I again took those classes. Only first, second and third year only I did that. And then I prepared the notes and used to do some MCQs from books. Okay. Then in final year I took it seriously and I thought that I have to do it now. Then I basically took all the remaining classes. Then I used to practice MCQs there and only, and used to add something in my notes. So okay. My material was already prepared, maximum material prepared during my final year only. Then during the internship, I started my preparation in April, starting of April, March end. Then I used to basically I joined the DBMC test series, that regular test series offline, because that would help me make me schedule, because yes. every week I used to give a test that I had a certain time I have to complete this subject, because there was no chance to extend that course. Yes. Then I used to prepare that way. Used to give my test. I used to score good, satisfactory, not yes. that much, but yes. I was satisfied. I used to give the grand test also. I scored nicely in the grand test, on top 100 sometimes.
You were a part of Super 30 also?
Yes, ma'am.
So how did that group help you?
Ma'am, whenever I had some doubts, I can easily post on it. Then teachers would reply it very easily and explain it. If it were not explainable, they used to record some small videos and tell them, or give a link that okay. I have watched your all video. The squint part was very difficult for me. Last day also I watched that again.
Thank you. Okay, like you say, Swapnil, we are always there with you, and we always want to help you people in every possible way. So, I want to know that do you think that taking the notes is sufficient, or is it important to attend the live classes also?
Ma'am, at live classes, ma'am, it is better. It's better that you have your handwritten notes written during the live classes, because something during the class you pick up remains in your mind, ma'am.
Yes. So that interaction that you do with the faculty in the live classes is very much required for the preparation or not? Do you yes. think that if you are having just the notes, will you be able to perform in a similar manner as if you attend the classes?
Ma'am, no, because if they are new notes, when you have bought some notes, you have to make them your own. That takes time, about 2 to 4 readings. And when you have your handwritten notes, you can get 2 readings only. You get that. I will do that. It saves your time, and it makes your again and again you look to read them, because they attract yes. you. Who want yes. to read. And when you buy new notes, you feel like a burden, because
exactly, that whole huge amount of volume that you get along with it, if you are not able to understand it, I think this is the right word that he has used, it's a burden for you, because you don't have any idea about that notes. Okay, wonderful, Swapnil. Okay, like we saw this time that the paper was quite lengthy.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
everybody told this, and it was a much of a clinical oriented paper. So what do you would like to advise the future PG aspirant that what they should do and what they should not do in order to attempt such kind of paper where so much of integration is now being asked?
Ma'am, I would recommend my juniors to please read the standard textbooks. They help you because I have seen nowadays people not reading that standard textbooks, sticking to only notes. And because we may not realize it, but standard textbook make you think in that direction. Suddenly you get strike something when you're attempting a question. You may not realize it that it has been, you have read that has come to your mind and you've made the answer correct. You know,
And how much interactive they should be in the class? Like, is it important to remain interactive in the classes? That will that make a difference in your preparation?
ma'am, it will make a difference. Definitely, it will make a difference. But I was not that much interactive to be
Okay, but
to be
everybody
fair.
should learn from the mistake. Like we should be. I think if you are sitting at the back, the chances of distraction are always more.
I was always in front, but I was not
Okay.
that interactive. मतलब interactive with the teachers.
But okay, but if you are in the front, I think the receptive vibes that are coming to the people are more, and chances
Yes.
of distraction are always less. Okay. What about the Facebook group? Were you a part of DBMCI Premier group?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And was that helpful in constantly updating you?
Yes, ma'am. Used to see other that question every day you posted or faculty posted. I used to read that only passive. I was only a passive part of it, not active. I
But
don't.
passively also we are getting the benefits of the things even if we are not asking actively. Okay. Any other thing that you would like to tell, like how did your vibe session did?
Vibe session was really helpful. Ma'am, that collection of images is in itself is very nice. Uh, ma'am, I also attended an image-based session that test you was conducted.
Yes.
That was also very good. The images were not repeated from the vibe, but and that collection is itself very good. They basically, if someone can revise about 30 to 40% questions or more, maybe more questions can be come
Yes,
solved
because
from that.
nowadays the number of image-based questions that are coming are obviously being increased,
Yes,
and in the vibe we try to give you a mini revision of all the subjects. So I think that will help you in integrating also the subjects, because you
yes,
are able to complete a whole of the 19 subjects in just 4 to 5 days. Okay. Uh, any other advice that you would like to give your colleagues?
and just don't stick to your notes, don't go here and there. We try to we see that someone is reading this better, but your notes are good enough. Believe in your notes, have confidence in yourself, and do your best. Nothing, you don't get distracted by other things.
Yeah,
That
that
is
is,
the
I think, a very important takeaway message, because being distracted is the easiest temptation that the students get, and sticking to the notes is a priority. Everybody is saying with this only that revising notes. So, were the notes sufficient for you? Even after giving the paper, you feel that
yes.
revising those notes were sufficient for
Yes,
you?
ma'am. I
Yes.
did not feel that notes were less in anything. Content was very good
And
and easy
it
to
was
revise.
easy to revise for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other thing you would like to say, or you would like to thank anybody in particular?
All the faculties of DBMC have worked really hard.
Thank you.
I initially want special thanks to Dr. Ashwini sir. I'm a big fan of his, and Dr. Jay Arora. I may not have attended his classes. I have just watched about 2 videos that sir arranged on a satellite class that were really good. I am a big fan of him, and I want to thank. I have watched your vibe session. I have only attended your vibe, I have not attended your live classes,
Yeah.
but that was very good. And I want to thank Dr. Ashish sir for
Yes.
physiology. That he was he used to make us feel like a homely environment in the
Yeah.
class. He used to crack jokes. He was very, very nice.
Okay. It was really nice, and
And I also want to thank Dr. Rajat Bajaj sir, especially, who taught us medicine.
okay.
And in he used to give whole time to us. He never ever he ever every time he was ready to solve our doubts. I want to especially thank him for his
So
contribution.
thank you so much, and wish you all the very best for your success. Once again,
Thank
heartiest
you, ma'am.
congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.